Most people scroll through their phones every day, for hours, but never realize one thing. Someone is getting paid for every piece of content they see. From voiceovers and captions, to designs and blog posts. Freelancers are behind it all. And no, you don't need a degree, a fancy laptop, or years of experience. Let me introduce you to something simple: gig freelancing. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, thousands of people are earning real money doing small tasks. Writing simple bios or Instagram captions, editing short YouTube clips, creating AI voiceovers using free tools, designing thumbnails using Canva, converting documents from PDF to Word. These gigs can pay anywhere from $5 to $50 each. And once you've built a few reviews, that number grows fast. Let me give you a real-world example. A teenager in the Philippines started offering basic YouTube thumbnail design for $5. In 3 months, he built up a steady stream of clients and now earns $500 a week, all from home, no office, no boss. This is the power of skills, not degrees. The world is shifting, and those who adapt win. So if you're tired of waiting for the perfect job, start where you are, use what you know, and grow from there. Your hustle doesn't have to be loud, it just has to be consistent. Subscribe to the Inner Light for more real money-making ideas.